Today we're gonna be playing Last Leader Circle. We're gonna see can I make it to the top? Will I be the last one alive? Who knows? Just know, ignore the background noises. 20 people.
With a monster.
Okay guys, we are back. Waiting. Okay, we're gonna be waiting for some players. I wonder what happens if we step out of the circle. Okay guys, that scared me. That scared me a lot. What is that? What is that, brothers? What is happening? If it's up. Oh my god. Oh, but he's still alive. You guys see what I did? Guys, how am I still alive? Okay. We're not gonna make it. What's it called? MLS station is. Whoa! Tacos? Now, are we supposed to hit them or not? A zombie. Ah! Now, why did they spawn on me? Why did they spawn on me though? Why me? Hey, guys, I don't think I'm gonna be making it. Guys, I really don't think I'm gonna make it. There's zombies out here. The floor is ice. I'm gonna die. Hey, 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 guys, what is going on? The story. Have a volcano up here. Wait, guys, what is this? What is this? Oh. Guys, I'm doing my best to stop. Did you guys see that red media come so close to me? Because I'm so good at dodging, even at 1 HP. I'm good at this. I'm good at this. A claw machine. Yeah, I like it, but I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go, but I don't like it. The sucker will shrink to get me. What is going on? What is going? No, guys. I'm never going to that killer again. I'm not going to that. 5 people are alive. I wish I could walk through that. Well, who walked through? Get. Who did I just say? That's supposed to be cancelled. I wanna walk through. Imagine how cool it will be if we can manage to go through, come back here again. Battery so good. Child, how is he manage? He doesn't jump and still alive. That's what's going on. What about me not trying to be a peak one? Guys, what would you rate this game out of 10? on that difficulty. What would you rate it? I'm right there. It's very fast, isn't it? Can just be watching. Yeah, win one. We gotta win one at least. It can't be that hard, right? Can it? Let's. Okay. Is that already done? 28, 30 people. Is it gonna reach its max? Will it or will it not? No, it ain't going to reach. Don't make me fall off. Don't make me fall off. I want to use this to go across. You guys think this is gonna be the last game? Cause who knows? I might get first on the video and you guys. Do you guys wanna play against me, rivals? Cause I can. And I'll beat y'all. Unless y'all more skill than me. Now, if I see a nemesis out there trying to challenge me, bro, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm just bronze. Are you bringing a nemesis to me? No. Oh, no way. Maybe gold. Gold, I come out. Silver. Hey. A wise person once said, walk with the circle, be with the circle, so walk around its edges. Why is the circle shrinking so much? Are people really doing this? People buying circles for 25 Robux? Really? Oh hell no! Is this what I'm playing with? Oh hell no! What is going on, brothers? Let me some more. If a ball comes, I swear to God. If a ball comes rolling down, that would be just so sad. Sarcasm, yeah. And they gotta show fire and you work for yesterday. There's okay, I see. Guys, I called it. I called it. Do you see a ball? I ranked up to level 2 because I called it. Look at it, guys. Never not believe me. Thank God they're not agreeing on me. Thank God. I was stuck. Hey, I was outside the shop. I was outside. No. Was that acid rain? Oh wait, was that acid rain? And step on. Oh hell no. Brother is in the cocoon. The floor is standing together. Oh no! It's spawned now. I can see it. Oh my god, if I fell off. Rising what? You have to make sure. Yeah, yeah. I wish I could stay from him. He's so funny. Let me get her. Hey, hey, where do I come? Which side am I coming from? Dodge the balls, man. Dodge the balls. Dodge. Wait, does this instantly kill you? But I'm kind of curious if it instantly kills you.